Okay. Now we are going to start up with jQuery. Right on? jQuery. It is a library designed by Nokia and Microsoft for performing all kinds of animation operations on the web pages. Okay, now if you need to perform any animation kind of operations, all those functions are predefined in jQuery. That's the best part with jQuery. Whereas referring the tags, all those things will be very easier in jQuery compared to JavaScript. Is that clear? Any doubts?
So this is going to be embedded in HTML as an extension?
Yeah, it is just like HTML only, whatever the JavaScript which we have did, right?
Yeah.
Similar fashion only. So suppose if you need to write it within your Java HTML page only, you can write it down. Otherwise, if you need to make it separately, you can write it separately also. Clear?
Yeah.
Next. And whereas if you need to make use of this particular jQuery components in your web page, first thing what you have to do is you need to download jQuery.js file. Okay, right on. For making use of jQuery functions within the web page, first thing is we have to download jQuery.js files. Okay. In that way, I have downloaded jQuery.js file from net. For that, specific website is also available. Go to jQuery.com. Download jQuery, and you can download this. Clear? Either compressed, uncompressed, anything is fine. No issues with that. Next. Whereas this is an open source product itself, so it is very free to download. Next. Whereas referring the components like document.getElement by ID, document.formName.element, this kind of stuffs and all is a bit tough in JavaScript. So they have introduced jQuery. Okay, that is one thing which we need to know. And next thing is, in jQuery, all the concepts are based on inner classes only. Okay, now that too, it is called as anonymous inner class concepts only. It is not based on normal general classes and general inner classes. It is based on anonymous inner class. That means the inner class within another class, that means it is a class within another class without a name, is called as anonymous inner class. Anonymous inner class. Write down. It is an inner class without a name. Is called as anonymous inner class. Clear?
What is the inner class?
Inner class. The class within another class is called as inner class.
Class?
It is just like normal in JavaScript though, we have a function. That function itself we will call it as class. Within that function, if you have one more function without a name, is called as anonymous inner class. Clear? Now, how that anonymous inner class will be there and how the components will be referred in jQuery, we are going to see now. As I said, the first thing what you have to do is you need to download jQuery.js file. See, I have downloaded, it is available with me. Beside that only, otherwise if you specify in some other location also no issues, but you need to locate that particular path. Okay, na? And
It should be, the file should be saved where?
it can be saved anywhere. Yeah, but you need to locate that path. Whereas instead of saving somewhere and locating the path, what I have did, I have saved beside my particular program file only. Clear? In the same folder where I am writing the programs, same folder only I have written the code. Okay? Now we are going to see how this anonymous inner class concepts, all these things works. Okay. Okay, this is the first program which we are going to see in this particular jQuery. Okay, now? Whereas in this program, first let me show you the output. See, this program though, it is showing you a paragraph. That a particular paragraph is displaying some content. Let's say any content, no issues with that. That particular paragraph, if I click, exactly that paragraph only should be hidden. See, clear? It is getting hidden. See, for that particular operations, this much code we have written. What is that code? We are going to see now. All our jQuery programs, this statement is mandatory. What is this statement is? Whatever the jQuery file which I have downloaded now, that I am including over here. That's it. Apart from that, nothing else I am doing. Clear? Next. Here I have a paragraph. The paragraph, if you click on me, I will disappear. That is what the content which is available. Next. See. $document. In JavaScript, we have the objects like window, string, array, document. These are the objects now. Here, we will be referring the objects with $ symbol. Okay, na? $document means we are referring to complete web page. Whenever the complete web page is ready, ready is an event. Whenever the web page is ready, see, we are defining a function over here. And that too, that function does not have any name. You can see, function, there is no name also over here. So this is called as anonymous inner class. Clear? What this function is doing, it is referring to $p, that means paragraph tag. If any paragraph tag is clicked, again it is defining one more anonymous inner class. What this is doing, $this, whichever the component you have clicked, this refers to that particular component. Okay, now which is the component we are on the position right now. That particular component is this. That particular component is getting hidden. Clear? Hide is a function from jQuery which is meant for making this component to be hidden. That's it. Any doubts? We are not making use of JavaScript over here. We are making use of jQuery functions and anonymous inner classes only over here. Clear? Any doubts?
All of them are anonymous functions.
Yes, all concepts in jQuery will be anonymous functions only.